Matt Parr's story. Imagine starting with just $300 in your bank account, barely enough to cover your basic needs. As a high schooler, juggling homework and part-time jobs, and within a few years, becoming a multi-millionaire. It sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, that's exactly what happened to me. I turned my passion into a thriving business. My name is Matt Parr, and I want to share my journey with you. How I went from being a broke teenager with no direction, feeling lost and uncertain about my future, to running multiple successful YouTube channels, mentoring thousands of aspiring creators, and traveling the world. It wasn't easy, but with determination and the right strategies, I made it happen. This isn't just my story, it's proof that if you have the drive, the vision, and the right mindset, you can achieve extraordinary success, no matter where you start. Humble beginnings. I was born in the year 2000, a time when the world was rapidly changing. I grew up in a middle-class family in the heart of the Midwest, surrounded by the simplicity and charm of small-town life. My parents worked incredibly hard to give my sister and me a good life, often juggling multiple jobs to make ends meet. Watching them put in long hours, both at their workplaces and at home, I learned early on that financial success was tied to hard work and dedication. Their perseverance was a constant reminder of the value of effort. But despite understanding this, something about that path never quite resonated with me. I often found myself questioning if there was more to life than just hard work. As a kid, I loved being creative, but as I grew older, I realized that the traditional route, going to school, getting good grades, and landing a 9-to-5 job, was expected of me. And that thought terrified me. By middle school, I was already questioning everything. I hated school. It felt like a system designed to push me into a life I didn't want. The subjects felt irrelevant to real life, and the idea of working a job I had no passion for filled me with dread. At just 12 years old, I started my first YouTube channel. I filmed backyard stunts and pranks, hoping to go viral. But let's be real, those videos barely got any views. Still, the idea of making it big on YouTube stuck with me. Fast forward to 2014. I was in high school, still hating every second of it, and feeling trapped in a life I hadn't chosen. I was unmotivated, depressed, and my relationships with friends and family started to suffer. Then, in 2015, everything changed. I stumbled across a YouTube channel called Pop Fives, a faceless channel posting simple list-style videos that were racking up millions of views. That's when it hit me. YouTube success wasn't just for entertainers or vloggers, anyone could do it. With nothing but a cracked iPhone and sheer determination, I started creating videos. The first few months, brutal. Hardly any views, no real traction, but I kept going. Then, one day, it happened. One of my videos hit 100,000 views. That was the moment I realized this could actually work. By 2016, my YouTube channel was gaining momentum, and I started making money through the YouTube Partner Program. But while my YouTube career was taking off, my personal life was struggling. I still hated school, and juggling everything was exhausting. I knew I couldn't keep making videos all by myself forever. I needed a system. That's when I had a crazy idea. What if I built a team? Inspired by the wisdom of Dr. Seuss, I began outsourcing tasks. I hired people to edit videos, write scripts, and do voiceovers. This allowed me to focus purely on generating ideas. The result? A full-blown video production machine. My channels exploded. I gained over 1 million subscribers, achieved financial freedom, and realized I had built a real business. By 2018, I decided to take a new leap. I started my personal brand, Make Money Matt, to share everything I had learned about YouTube automation. At first, I wasn't sure if anyone would be interested. I had doubts and fears, just like anyone starting something new. So I launched a basic online course, hoping to share my knowledge and see if there was any interest out there. I took a leap of faith and started promoting it before I had even created the content. It was a bold move, but I believed in my vision. To my surprise, people actually bought it. The response was overwhelming and it gave me the confidence to keep going. That was my light bulb moment. I had found a way to not just make money from YouTube, but help others do the same. It was the beginning of something amazing. By 2020, my income had skyrocketed. I hit millionaire status, received the 2 Comma Club award, and moved to Florida to fully embrace my new life. Even after reaching financial success, I still had one major problem. I was afraid to spend money. I had been so focused on saving and growing my wealth that I forgot to actually enjoy it. Then, in 2021, I read a book that changed everything. Die with Zero. It made me realize that money is meant to create experiences, not just sit in a bank account. So I started living. I went diving off the California coast, traveled the world, and finally began enjoying the life I had worked so hard to build. By 2022, I had traveled internationally, bought my dream home, and continued growing my YouTube empire. But then something unexpected happened. I got bored. Success had become routine. I had the money, the house, the freedom, but I felt like I needed something more. That's when I made a new decision for 2023. Instead of just making money, I focused on experiencing life to the fullest. I visited over 20 countries, expanded my YouTube business, and mentored over 7,000 students who wanted to achieve financial freedom, just like I did. I'm not telling you my story to brag. I'm telling you this because I want to show you what's possible. If a broke high schooler with $300 in his bank account can defy the odds and become a multimillionaire, so can you. Your journey will look different, but the core message is the same. Believe in yourself, take action, be willing to put in the work. No matter where you are right now, your success story is waiting to be written, and I want to be part of that journey. Subscribe to my channel for more insights, and let's make your dream life a reality. If you're serious about creating a profitable online business, visit mattpar.com to learn more. And if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and share so I can continue creating content that helps you achieve financial freedom. Thank you for your support. I'll see you in the next chapter of your journey.